Alright, what's going on, guys? So, about 2 weeks ago, I decided I was going to learn a new trick every day for the month of August. And yeah, it seemed like a good idea till today, the first day of August. And yeah, we got some thunderstorms rolling in. It's kind of raining right now. And yeah, I guess how difficult it would be didn't really hit me till, this second. So, some of the main things I'm thinking about are the weather, of course. My shoes aren't really in the best shape. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, I imagine some days I'm gonna have to learn tricks in the rain. The only concern is that my bearings will get destroyed or my deck. And I work 7 days a week, so I'm gonna have to, wake up early, get these videos edited. But that's the whole fun of the challenge. So I just wanted to see if I'm able to do it. I'm debating if I should wait a little bit now for the rain to pass, or if I should try to do the trick now while it's still not too bad. So, yeah, I think we should probably just go try to get a trick before it starts thunderstorming, because then it's going to be pretty difficult. All right, let's call an Uber. Let's get out of here. Thank you. You too. Thanks again. Alright guys, the rain's holding up right now. It's not too wet on the ramp, so I think we'll be good. I'm going to towel it off. Kind of want to warm up. I don't think that's going to happen though, because it looks like it's going to rain any second. So yeah, we just got to get right to it. Alright, that's it for warm-ups. I think today I'm going to try to do switch hard flip, pivot to fakie. Now I've never done this trick before, regular or switch, but I got a feeling I could do it. So let's see. I've never even done a switch hard flip to pivot, so yeah, let's go for it. Oh yeah. Oh, maybe not. Alright, so technically that was a new trick, but not what we're trying. Alright guys, I was switch hard flip to pivot regular. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm completely wrecked right now. Whew. Done. Not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be a little bit easier, but that's it. We gotta take it to fakie. I'll try a few more. Alright, let's do it. Alright, just forgive me if footage is a little shaky or loud with wind, because it's like 20-mile-an-hour winds right now, so just bear with me. thanks. Think I'm gonna get it or no? Yeah?
You're the one who has that YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I subscribed to it.
Did you? Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm trying to learn a new trick every day for a month, starting today. You wanna be in it? Oh! Oh!
You had it.
Ah! All right, next one.
It's the way you landed it.
Dead. Oh! Oh! Such a relief. Wow. I can't breathe. My muscles feel like jello right now. All right, guys. My face is overheating. And that's it, we got the trick. Psyched about that, man. I've always wanted to do that trick. So yeah, got about 30 more days of this. Should be fun. You think I'm gonna be able to do it? No. Yeah? All right, if he thinks so, then we could do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably about the same time.